Welcome to MJC Learning students. Today's topic of SP is chapter number 6, correspondence with members. In this we are going to see about letter writing, share certificate as well as dividend warrant. So come, let's proceed with the topic. In this session we are only going to see about letter writing. So before we start with our letter writing, I would like to just show you the layout of the letter, which will make it very clear and you'll be able to score maximum marks out of 10. At the most, the highest marks can be scored is 8, 8.5. But you have to remember certain things. So this is only a format which I have shown here. This is the name of the company which is sending the letter. This is the name of the person to whom we are sending the letter. The date. Salutation means dear sir, respected sir, madam. And this is the body of the letter. Means what we are writing about. What is the letter about. So this is the body of the letter. Then you have a complimentary clause. Like sincerely, yours faithfully, yours truly. Then after that you'll have signature, and then below the signature it's a fashion to type the name because nowadays we don't understand whose signature it is. So it has become necessary. After that here you'll find enclosure which is not mentioned. There are certain points which are not here like reference number, subject. It's required. Now when you are writing these all parts like letterhead, inside address, salutation, many of the students in the board exam, when I have moderated the paper, I have seen that they don't write the body of the letter. This only they put this all parts. If you only put the parts and you don't write the body of the letter, my dear students, you will not get a single marks. Because the main part of the letter is the body of the letter. If this is not there, only you are putting layout. Just putting the date, address, complimentary, signature, etc. etc. If you are only putting this layout, you won't get marks. Whether you know or you don't know, but something you have to write here. Write 4 lines, 3 lines, 2 lines, but you have to write something so that you get the marks for the layout. Out of 10, 3 marks are there for the layout. Okay. If it is 5 marks question, it is 1.5 marks for layout. So layout का marks तब मिलेगा जब आपने इसके अंदर कुछ डाला है तो. Body of the letter में कुछ लिखा है तो आपको layout के marks. खाली आपके ढांचे के ऊपर मार्क्स नहीं मिलेगा जब तक आप अंदर कुछ नहीं लिखोगे. कुछ भी लिखो मगर लिखो सो दैट आपको बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर के मार्क्स मिले. ओके, सो दिस इज द मेन इन योर बोर्ड एग्जाम दैट बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर शुड बी देयर. जो भी है आपका राइट हो रॉन्ग है बट वॉट एवर इट इज यू हैव टू राइट द बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर, देन ओनली यू गेट मार्क्स. ओके, सो नाउ वी प्रोसीड टू द मेन पार्ट ऑफ मेन लेटर. Now this is a letter regarding issue of share certificate. Share certificate एक proof है जो कंपनी हमें देती है जब हम शेयर लेते हैं तो यही एक proof है आपके पास कि आप शेयर होल्डर हो. कंपनी लेटर लिख रहा है तो कंपनी का नेम एंड एड्रेस, ये लेटर पैड ऑलरेडी टाइप्ड रहता ही है कंपनी के पास. ऐसा पेपर के ऊपर टाइप्ड रहता है. जिस पर्सन को लेटर भेजा जा रहा है वो ये रहा. इनसाइड एड्रेस, रेफरेंस नंबर आप अपने ओन का कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. इनसाइड एड्रेस आप अपने ओन का लिख सकते हो. हेड एड्रेस कैन बी ऑल्सो योर ओन एड्रेस. देयर इज नथिंग टू बाय हार्ट. Subject issue of share certificate. Now this is about a share certificate company is giving. So you have to first request. As per your request, I hereby authorize. I means the secretary. Authorized to issue you a share certificate. So company is giving you a share certificate because you have requested. इट विल बी डिलीवर्ड टू यू विद इन 15 days. 15 दिन में आपको शेयर सर्टिफिकेट आएगा. बट आपने क्या किया है पहले? यू हैव रिक्वेस्टेड, देन ओनली यू आर गेटिंग अ शेयर सर्टिफिकेट. बट एज इफ कंपनी इज forced to give the certificate whether you request or you don't request. The date of this letter is by registered post to yours. Now this letter, this share certificate will be sent to you in registered address. Okay, and now this is the detail of the share certificate. Folio number, certificate number. How many share certificate number? This is the certificate number. Distinctive, now how many shares you are having? Distinctive means 1 to 100. If you are having 100 share, so it will start from 301 to 400 like that. So this is called as distinctive number. From which number to which number? So you are having 100 shares. It is always our endeavor. Endeavor means our aim to provide the best service to all of you. Okay, thanking you. Yours faithfully. Then signature and name of the person. So this letter is very important from the exam point of view. This body of the letter always should be there. Without body of the letter, you won't get any marks. Come, let's proceed to the next letter. The next letter is about payment of dividend. See, company gives you dividend when you take a share. When you take a share, you get a dividend. So, company is now paying the dividend. So, company is writing a letter or sending a letter. Nowadays, it is all electronic method. So, you can say a mail is sent. But olden days, they used to send letter. Name of the company, reference number, date should be always there. I have not mentioned the date because the date should be a current date. आज आप एग्जाम लिख रहे हो तो आज आपका डेट होना चाहिए लेटर के ऊपर. Then here the address, any address to whom you are sending, whom the secretary is sending. Subject is always compulsory. You will get this subject from the question itself. Now what the person says, I am instructed by the board of directors. That is, this person, I is the secretary, instructed. Board of directors have informed the secretary to call a board meeting, that is annual general meeting, on so and so date to decide the final dividend. And every member will be getting a dividend as per 2.5% of equity share. So if you are purchasing shares of rupees 10, then you are getting 2.5% dividend. So final dividend is decided in the annual general meeting. It is approved by all the members. So we are declaring the dividend. So dividend is declared by the board of directors. And the letter for dividend is forwarded by I. Here I is the secretary. How much is the percentage? कितना dividend मिल रहा है आपको? 2.5%. और ये 2.5% भी अप्रूव, हर मेंबर ने ओके बोला है. So your company had, now before declaring the dividend, company has to see that all the work is completed, all statutory provision. What is that all statutory? See, first you have to pay dividend to the preference shareholder, interest to the debenture holder, repayment of debenture, debenture का जो पैसा है वो दे देना है. ऐसा सब प्रोविजंस है. वो प्रोविजन कंप्लीट होने के बाद ही डिविडेंड की बारी आती है, यानी शेयर होल्डर की बारी. सो कंपनी हैज़ टू से, कंपनी को बताना पड़ता है कि येस हमारा वो प्रोविजंस ख़त्म हो चुका है या हमने कर दिया है और उसके बाद हम लोग डिविडेंड दे रहे. सो डिविडेंड दे रहे के बारे में पूरा डिटेल इसके अंदर है. फोलियो नंबर, नंबर ऑफ शेयर, उसके पास 100 शेयर है, किधर से किधर तक है, यानी कौन से नंबर से स्टार्ट होता है उसका 100 शेयर. 301 टू डिस्टिंक्टिव नंबर में फ्रॉम एंड टू नंबर इज कॉल्ड एज डे, यानी किधर से किधर उसका नंबर. Warrant number. Now dividend warrant is a dividend check which comes to your house. You have to deposit in the bank. How much is the dividend? 250 gross, yani total dividend. See, if it is more, if the dividend is more, then tax is liable. But here the dividend is very less, so there is no tax for you. So total and net dividend also it will be the same. Now dividend warrant is sent. Please detach the dividend warrant along the perforated line. See, perforated line means dotted line. See this lines you can see now, these are called as perforated. So check will be below this and that you have to tear it. So, and thanking you, yours faithfully. Now always this should be written yours faithfully, name of the company, signature, and as the dividend warrant is with sent with this letter, so we are writing enclosures. Okay, so in exam also if the questions are asked, you can write your own words also, but you have to see that the language of your letter should be SP language, a business language. It cannot be a simple English as you write in English letter. Yes, I asked the person, he gave me, and I told for dividend warrant, and he also said okay. This way you can't write. You have to use certain technical words to score more marks. Moreover, in 12th SP, your language should be of business language only. Okay, so please take care. Just if you read once, that also is sufficient nowadays. So in your textbook the letters are reduced a lot, so you can read once, twice, thrice. Only 3 chapters are there, so it is very easy to score SP marks. Okay, I hope this is understood. Thank you.